Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add PayPal Express checkout button to Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin. Now navigate to the settings. So from the Shopify admin dashboard, click on settings in the left hand menu, then select payment providers. Now, enable PayPal Express checkout. So in the payment providers section, scroll down to the alternative payment methods section and click on choose alternative payment method. Now select PayPal Express checkout. So in the alternative payment method lists, locate PayPal Express checkout and click on the select button next to it. Configure PayPal settings. So after selecting PayPal Express checkout, you will need to configure the PayPal settings. So if you have already have a PayPal account, click on the connect an existing PayPal account. So, I'm sorry. And follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account to Shopify. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create a new one by clicking on the Create a PayPal account button and following the instructions provided. Now customize the PayPal Express checkout button. So once your PayPal account is connected, you can customize the appearance of the PayPal Express checkout button on your Shopify store. You can choose from different button styles and layouts provided by Shopify. Save and publish the changes. So after customizing the button settings, click on the Save or Publish button to save the changes and make the PayPal Express checkout button visible on your Shopify store. Now, what you need to do is to, I'm sorry, what you need to do is to test the PayPal Express checkout button. Okay, so test the PayPal Express checkout button. So visit your Shopify stores and proceed through the checkout process as if you were a customer. So at the payment step, ensure that the PayPal Express checkout button is displayed and functional. Complete a test transaction to confirm that it redirects to PayPal and allows customers to complete their payments using PayPal. So note that the exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on version of Shopify you are using and any specific customizations you have implemented on your store. So if you encounter any difficulties or need further assistance, Shopify support resources and documentation can provide additional guidance tailored to your specific situation. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.